Today we will learn how to crochet this easy flower coaster step by step. This is perfect for beginners and takes only a few minutes. Let's begin. I made it in 2 colors. What yarn color will you choose to make this flower coaster? This crochet flower coaster is so cute. I used medium weight yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. This coaster is crocheted in 5 rounds. First we will crochet the center, next we will build the body, and then we will design the flower petal border. For round 1, start with a magic ring. Make 2 chains. Now work 16 half double crochet into the ring. Yarn over. Insert hook into the ring. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through all 3 loops on your hook. Pull the yarn tail to close the ring. Slip stitch at the top of the first half double crochet. Start round 2 with 1 single crochet and 1 chain in each stitch around. Mark the first stitch. We are at the last stitch of round 2. Slip stitch at the first stitch of round 2. Make 1 chain, and cut the yarn leaving a small tail. Now we will start the round 3. Make a slip knot. Attach to any 1 chain space of round 2 of the crochet circle. Make 3 chains. count as 1 double crochet stitch. 1 double crochet in the next chain space. Make 1 chain. Now make 2 double crochet in the next 2 chain spaces. Make 1 chain. Now repeat 2 double crochet in next 2 chain spaces. Then make 1 chain around. Slip stitch at the 3rd chain. Start round 4 with slip stitch into the next stitch. Again, slip stitch into the next chain space. Now make 3 chains. 1 double crochet. Make 1 chain. Again, make 2 double crochet into the same chain space. Now into the next chain space, make 2 double crochet, 1 chain and 2 double crochet. Repeat this pattern around in chain spaces only. Slip stitch at the 3rd chain. Now we will start the round 5 with 6 double crochet into the chain space. Here we will make 1 single crochet in between 2 fans. Repeat the pattern. 6 double crochet and 1 single crochet around. Slip stitch at the first stitch. Insert the hook from back and pull the yarn loop to secure stitches. Now cut and weave in extra yarns. Like and subscribe the channel for more beginner crochet tutorials. Share your crochet experience in the comment box below. Like, subscribe and visit the channel. Share pictures of your flower coaster with me.